Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a curve. Parallelly, we draw another straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines. And parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Then, we divide it. We draw it very carefully. Now, it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the roof, the top of the house. This is yellow color. Here, we use yellow color to color the wall of the house. Walls keep us safe inside the house. The walls hold up the roof. Walls can be painted many colors. We can put pictures and posters on the walls. Walls make our house into different rooms. Yellow color. We color it very carefully. Blue color. Blue color. Blue color. Blue color. green color. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching.